embedded finance wasn't even spoken of, 5 years ago?
Yeah.
And suddenly now it's going to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry over the coming decade. How have we got to this point?
Absolutely. And I think the place to start is technology advancement. Without kind of maybe taking machine learning and AI, which is a very much a here and now, over the last 5 years, we've seen a growth in API suites, for example, or the growth of APIs, if you like. And naturally, the evolution of fintech. That's really very much come about, I'd say, arguably over the last 10 years or so, but has been a really key driver in the advancement, been a key driver in the industry in giving birth to embedded payments as a whole. Now, with, I guess, the demand or growth of digitization, if you like, within platforms or ecosystems, there's been a growing need from customers to ensure that there's a seamless user experience. And I think that is also a big driver for embedded finance as a whole. And the reason for that is individuals, businesses don't necessarily like jumping between platforms to go and execute a payment. Mm-hmm. And I think that streamlined nature essentially drives the growth of what is embedded finance. I think alongside all of that, and with kind of the melting pot, if you like, so be it the technology advancements, be it the kind of demand from consumers, actually even throw in COVID into the mix, which kind of streamlined what digitization is and really kind of accelerated the growth there, it's given rise to a melting pot of opportunity. And where there's a melting pot, effectively, you've got the opportunity from an innovation perspective. So entrepreneurs, for example, have come in and really taken that by the scruff of the neck and realize there's an opportunity there. And that opportunity has also been accompanied with regulation changes, the rise of open banking, for example. So all of these various or different unrelated facets, arguably, have all come together to give rise to embedded finance. There was an earlier iteration of embedded finance by the name of kind of banking as a service. And again, there's a very clear distinction to be had there, with banking as a service really being focused on financial institutions and really embedded finance kind of in the non-FI space, if you like. You then kind of, with the opportunity, there's investors out there that naturally want to kind of follow that growth. And as the embedded finance industry kind of really came to fruition, investors naturally have been backing that. That again drives more opportunity, means there's more focus from an innovation perspective. So it's that domino effect, which has just kind of given rise to what we're seeing from an embedded finance point of view today.